Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet a little soap saver bag. So let's get started. To make this soap saver bag, I'm going to work with a 5.5mm crochet hook and some cotton yarn. Start with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, and in each stitch all the way across the chain. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So I'm going to go ahead, single crochet all the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across. Now I'm going to work down the other side of the chain. So I'm going to make one more single crochet in that last stitch. And then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. And I'm at the end of the row, make one more single crochet in that last stitch and then slip stitch to join. And that's what that looks like. So now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip, single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip, single crochet. And I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around making loops, and there's my last loop. And I'm just going to go right into the next loop, and I'm going to single crochet. And I'm going to continue to do that until the bag is as large as I need it to be. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next loop, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next loop, and just continue working around and around and around until the bag is as tall as you need it to be. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 11 rows of loops. Fasten off. And now just make a few more knots just to hold that in place. Fasten off. And to make the cord, I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain a cord that's approximately 12 inches long. So just go ahead and chain a long cord. Okay, there's my cord. Pass it through the third row of stitches, just so that I have a little frill at the top. So just pass that all the way around. Okay, I passed it all the way through. And I'm just going to bring the two ends together and tie a knot. Just trim those off, and there's the little finished bag. And so now when you have little slivers of soap that are not quite finished, you can slide those into the bag, then pull that tight, and you can hang this on the shower head or on the faucet. And there you go. That's how you can crochet a little soap saver bag. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.